It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to be talking mean, median, mode, and range. Here's our question. Jared played a game 10 times. He recorded the number of points he earned at the end of each game. This list shows the data he recorded. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, and 10 are the points he earned at the end of each of the 10 games. We want to complete the statements about the data. Drag and drop a measure of center or a measure of spread into each box. So mean, mode, range, and median, and we want one in each of these boxes. So the blank of the data is equal to 7. We're going to pick one of these, and the one of these of the data is equal to 8. So we need to consider the mean, mode, range, and median of this set of data. Go ahead and pause here, do your best work, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So I'm going to start with the mean, which means average. I'm going to find the mean of these 10 data points. So to do that, I need to add them all together. 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 4 is 9, plus 5 is 14, 21, 28, and we're going to keep going. We get to 58. Okay, so group it however you want, but the sum of these 10 numbers is 58. Now I need to divide 58 by the total number of data items in my set, which is 10. We need to divide 58 by 10, which means I'm going to take the decimal point and move it to the left once, which gives me 5.8. So I can see that the mean, my average of the data, is not 7 and it's not 8. So the mean is not one of these values. So let's move on now that we can eliminate mean and go on and find the mode. Mode tells me what occurs the most frequently in a set of data. So I can see that 9 occurs 3 times. 7 occurred twice, 9 occurred 3 times. There's no other data point that occurs 3 or more times. So our mode of this set of data is going to be 9. Not 7, not 8. So I can now eliminate the mode. So I can see that it's going to be range and median in here, but I got to go figure that out. So let's find the range. When we talk about range, we want to find the maximum value and subtract the minimum value, and that will tell us the range of the data from the minimum to the maximum. So our maximum is our highest when it's listed in order, and they were nice to us to say we didn't have to put it in order. Our data was listed from least to greatest. So our maximum is 10, our minimum is 2. So our max minus our min, 10 subtract 2, gives me 8. And I can take my range and drag and drop it to here. The range of the data is equal to 8. So it appears that our median is going to be 7, but I don't want to go there. I want to check it out. So let's find the median, which is the middle value when your data is listed from least to greatest. And ours is listed least to greatest, but there's 10 items. So we know that we have our middle is our 5th and 6th. So I have 4 and 4. So you would add these together and divide by 2 and find the average when you have an even set. But when they're both the same, 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So our median value is 7, and we're correct here. So we're going to take median and drag and drop it. So the median of the data is equal to 7, and the range of the data is equal to 8. And that is how we find mean, median, and mode and range of a set of data. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and that you come back soon.